All right, time to demold our soap, our pure tallow soap. So usually you do this about 24 hours after it's been sitting in its mold. In this case, it's been sitting for about 3 days. You can see here where I actually demolded early and it lost some of its accuracy in the demolding process. I was too eager. But this one I actually demolded right at 24 hours. So the color is much better than the ones that were taken out early, and the detail is way better as well. These are some other ones that I had done on a previous batch. So let's take a look at these. All right, so this with one hand here. Okay. You can see the accuracy of the center of that flower looks really, really good. Not great on the petals, to be honest, but once again, this is a little late to be demolding. The color looks great. Could also be some effects of maybe getting the recipe slightly off, but I think I got this one pretty good. Let's look at this next one. That one looks really good. I think I'll definitely stick to demolding right at the 24-hour mark, but this is definitely worth taking a look. I think this one's got one of my favorite molds. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, look at that. I love it. Yeah, I think that these are one of my favorite ones here. And lastly, this guy here. Big fan. Anyway, short and sweet.